Hi. Who doesn't love a waterfall? Isn't it great to just walk over there and hear the sound of the water plunging over a cliff, splashing over rocks and landing in a pool? It's one of nature's most beautiful symphonies. And it's also very relaxing. Does something to the spirit, doesn't it? But how do you paint that? And then tore it, and it gave me a ragged edge. Here in this value study, you can see I've planned where the lightest light is going to be, the darkest dark. What about this little trickle of water over here? How would you describe that?